We are proud of the 론도스타 5000, and let me tell you why. The 론도스타 is as easy to operate as a smartphone and runs precisely, just like Swiss clockwork. The 론도스타 5000 will win you over with its simple operation and programming. Adjustments are made with drag and drop, just like a smartphone, a really big smartphone, but not too big. With control via iTouch, unskilled operators can immediately work productively with the highest quality. No more time-consuming, complicated training. Just plug in and produce. You can even start the sheeting program directly from the screen. Efficient production is guaranteed with every production step. All parameters are clearly displayed on the screen. Step by step, the 론도스타 5000 guides you through the entire work process. We've even packed a wizard into the 론도스타 5000. With just 4 clicks, you can create your own program. The 론도스타 5000 has a wide range of applications, even the sheeting of short pastry, and thin dough is possible without problems and with precision, thanks to this innovative machine. By automating the sheeting process, the 론도스타 5000 achieves a high degree of accuracy of the dough bands and dough blocks. Unlike mechanical sheeters, our electronic sheeters achieve this by means of automatic roller settings and width control, in addition to automatic flouring and reeling. This way, uniform dough blocks and dough bands are consistently produced. The 론도스타 5000 will last a baker's lifetime. It is not only the quality of the baked goods that are important to us, but also the hygiene of the machine and the safety of the operators. This is why we rely on UL-certified hygiene properties and BG and UL certified safety features. Additional tools for complicated cleaning procedures? Not with the 론도스타 5000. Cleaning is efficient and fast without the need for tools. The 론도스타 is not only easy to clean, with software updates and new functionalities, it will always remain fit for the future. 론도스타 5000 combines the durability of 론도스타 4000 with the cinema display and the iTouch operation of Compass 4.0. 론도스타 5000 is available in exactly the version you need. All our 론도스타 models are highly reliable and have a long operating life. High efficiency, a wide range of applications, the legendary Rondo durability, and the iTouch user interface. Operating the 론도스타 5000 is easier than ever before.